Hello viewers, I'm Ayaz. Today I'm going to teach you prepositions. So prepositions. Prepositions. So prepositions. Prepositions. So the first one is be careful, blank the dog. So here will be three A, B and C. Three options will be given for you guys. From, of, for. So here the correct answer will be of. Of will be here. So careful, after, always, of will come, and sometimes with and about also comes after careful. So this is in rare case. So of will be used in most cases. So here in our case, be careful of the dog. Of will be the correct preposition. And the second one is uh, I traveled blank train yesterday. So bypass the value and uh, write down these prepositions on your notebook. So there will be four or three options. A will be by, B will be with, C will be in. So the correct answer is A, by. The preposition by will be used here. So by for train, for bus, for taxi, for plane, airplane, etc. So by will be used before these things. So you should remember these things. And the third one is congratulations, blank your wedding. Congratulations, blank your wedding. So the options will be given to you guys there. So the first option, second, and the third. The first option is for, second option is about, and third option is on. So here our answer is on. Congratulations on your wedding. Congratulations, after, always, on will be used there. So you should keep in mind that after congratulations, the preposition on will be used there in most of the cases. So it depends upon our sentence structure, but mostly we use on there. And the fourth one is or, are you angry, dash me. So this is too much conceptual one. So A, B and C, D, many options will be given to you, so you have to correct the right one. So the first one is on, with, about, of. So angry, after the preposition with and about will be used. So these two will be used in different cases. So with will be used for persons or people, and about will be used for things. So in our case, this question here, me means a person or people, or me, myself. So that's why I'm a person, I'm not a thing. So that's why here with will be the correct preposition. With will be fill out on that blank. So the next one is she is afraid blank the dog. She is afraid blank the dog. So A B C from of with. So here straight away we will put she is afraid of the dog. So after afraid, the preposition of will be used in all cases. So this is straight away of will be filled and that blank. So the next one is we arrived blank the airport. So here A, B and C, three options will be, or four or five options will be given to you guys, and you have to select one of them. So to, in and at are on. So here 8 will be the correct answer. 8 when talk about locations, places in for cities or countries. So the airport is a place, so that's why we have used at here. We arrived at the airport. It is a specific location or a place, so that's why we have used preposition at there. And the seventh one is eighth one. The woman was dressed blank black. So A with B of C in. So the preposition in will be the correct answer. In plus colors. Always remember that. When we talk about colors, then in will be used there straight away. You should remember this one. Dressed in black, in pink, in red, and whatever colors she has dressed. So the ninth one is I failed blank maths last year. I failed because last year, past tense. So the option A, B, and C. Now A will be here at, in, and from. So here in will be the correct answer. Fail after in will come when we talk about prepositions. So you should always remember that. I failed in maths last year. So the in will be used there. Then after the last one, you guys have to solve of this. So I will write here, and you guys will tell me the answer. Last one is 10. You succeed blank. You succeed blank test last year. So A at B in C of. So you have to solve this one and write this one in the comment section. Thank you so much, viewers. Please subscribe to my channel for informative videos. Thank you so much.